Alright, y'all, boy, what's going on, bro? Just cooling, bro, you feel me? In the whip. Got my gourmet meal right here sitting next to me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, wait, I got the Sprite to go with it too, you feel me? But we just in the car right now, you feel me? We just riding. I'm finna go pull up on my homeboy. No gas! Bro, every time I start a video, I don't got no gas. But shit, it is what it is, you feel me? You know I be geeking this bitch, so I don't got no gas. Simple. Drive this bitch fast, you ain't gonna have no gas, you feel me? But yeah, y'all boys, I got this goddamn good-ass McDonald's meal right next to me, you feel me? But yeah, oh shit, they're going to police! Oh shit! Wait. This nigga gonna pull in front of me too, bro. Like, I'm not scared of no police, man. Fuck the police, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? Fuck the goddamn police, nigga. But shit, I'm finna go pull up on my homeboy right quick, and I'm finna eat this goddamn good ass food. I'm gonna show y'all my food when we get to the spot. Y'all see that boy right there? Yeah. Y'all, this right here, lifesaver, you feel me? If I ain't had no backup camera, what would I do? What would I actually do without my backup camera? But let me show y'all my goddamn gourmet food right quick, you feel me? Got that good McDonald's. Y'all know I was crunching on the goddamn fries before y'all know how y'all be eating the fries before you get to your destination, bro. You feel me? Good food, though. Quarter pounder with cheese. But I'm finna smack this bit, no cap. Fries and a Sprite, you feel me? You got everything you need, and you need ketchup. Ketchup, you feel me? If you don't have ketchup, then you fucked up. Then you crush the goddamn food, you feel me? That bit good as hell. 10 stars. Yeah. See me? Oh yeah. 2 of the white whips. That shit hitting though. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see the skin at just cooling out the goddamn top of the fucking parking lot, you feel me? Cooling, being some coons. You know what I'm saying? Look at that bit. Stop playing. Y'all really just chatting right now. What the hell? I don't know what the hell we finna goddamn do. It's cold though, I ain't gonna lie. What we doing, cuz? Oh, you trying to wait so you can do some more shit?
Like, away from my car anyway.
Tell his ass pop out. Finna tell another nigga with another goddamn charger to pop out. No foreigns popping out, just all chargers, you feel me? Got a question. Y'all think I would die if I jumped from right here? Shit, let me know. I feel like I got strong knees, you know?
What did he say?
Alright, y'all, unfortunate events. What the fuck? What the fuck is this shit, bro? Bullshit fucking Chick-fil-A milkshake, bro. This is why you throw your goddamn trash away when it's time to throw your trash. And I got paper towels in this bitch. Oh yeah. Clean. Stop playing. Damn, this bitch fucked up. Y'all just fucked my goddamn car up, bro. What the fuck? Fuck, bro. That bullshit, bro. Shit like this really make a nigga mad, bro.
You got leather, you straight.
Now we gotta go to the car wash. That boy just pulled up in that cat. Let me go take his shit. I'm finna go take that bit. Why he closing the door? Let me see that bit. Oh! Y'all get that red key. I'm being a cat rat.
Man, duck TikTok.
What
turn
the?
volume up, bro. Man, this man's childish, man.
You're ugly as hell.
I do got OnlyFans, bro.
Bruh, shut your ass up. You don't be fucking for real. Huh?
I got OnlyFans, bro.
Shut up, nigga.
Bro, how much you on the bet?
How much it is a month? How much it is a month?
About $1 million, bro.
See, that's how you know niggas capping. Niggas just be saying bullshit.
He don't believe me, bro. He don't believe me.
See, if he really had OnlyFans, he would be advertising his shit correctly, you feel me?
We're gonna do it. Look, OnlyFans. We finna download the app back, cause I don't got that no more. Download it back. We gonna download it.
Y'all, he tripping. Y'all subscribe to that nigga OnlyFans, cause I'm not, bro, you feel me? Y'all got that shit, you feel me? I'ma link that boy shit, no cap. But yeah, let me close my doors. Niggas leaving my doors open. They want somebody to come steal my shit, I guess, or something like that. I don't know what the hell. But yeah, y'all see all this trash. I don't even want to, wait, hold on. Let me, bro, I really just fucked my car up, but I got goddamn paper towels. Who you know keep paper towels in their car? Nobody, nigga.
Look at my OnlyFans, bro.
What? No, I don't want to see that shit, nigga.
Look, Dear Dirty Bros, bro. OnlyFans. Good content.
Bro, you have no content on there, bro. Let me get one, bro.
Man, let me buy like.
Go ahead, bro.
I can get one.
We're trying to text. Go ahead, bro.
After I just got done eating, let me get one, cuz.
What video? Look. You finna see what dude talking about.
You gotta get the leg maker.
Oh, that got caught.
Niggas moth to a fly when they hear that Hellcat whine. That boy come bitch scatty on us. Stop playing. Hey. Wow, nigga. That bitch barking, nigga. Y'all, I wish my car had goddamn remote start, bro. You don't got no stars, Jay? You don't.
I got the what's called on the dash, the lights on the dash.
Oh, the ones that go poking in your shit?
Strip lights.
How many stars you finna get?
Look at that kneecaps, but I bet you pulled up the dash.
But you know I pull up with that shit on though.
Pull your jeans up, son. Let's see the kneecaps.
Bro, I got shit on my jeans from when I just spilled that shit in my. Yes, bro. Don't play with me, bro. Purple jeans every day of the week, and you know I got the tag in my pocket because I don't wear the tag. You feel me? I'm not that guy. Put that bit right back in there. Cause how many? Huh? Whoa! Hey, a nigga snatched my purple tag. It's up, twin. Alright, y'all, what's going on? We just in the whip, goddamn, on the way to the car wash. Cause y'all seen the incident that happened earlier, so I had to go to the car wash. You feel me? I got them boys behind me. Back there, I don't know if y'all can see them boys, but they back there, no cap. All these goddamn Chargers, I'll tell y'all, all these goddamn Chargers, man. I fuck with them boys in Chargers, though. I told y'all, bro, I'm getting the cat, bro. After I get the M5, though, I'm getting the cat, bro. You feel me? That's the second whip. M5, and I'm going cat. You feel me? Gotta go dog. Y'all see, I got the B22s in the cut. I did a goddamn shoe collection already. Y'all go check that out, bro. No cap. I already did that shit. You feel me? But I still ain't got no gas, bro. So I really gonna have to get that bit, I guess, after we leave the car wash. You feel me? I'm gonna have to go get that bit, no cap. Hopefully ain't nobody at the freaking car wash, you feel me? So we can just take that shit over, you know what I'm saying? I don't know who that was, but that bitch just sounded dumb good, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, but let me get back over when we get to the goddamn gas station. Bro, why I keep saying it's the gas station, bro? We is not going to the gas station, bro. We going to the goddamn car wash, you feel me? We going to wash this dirty ass car. And yeah, you feel me? Bitch, y'all don't leave this car wash, no cap. Alright, y'all, we done made it to the goddamn car wash, you feel me? Y'all know I be here like 2-3 times a week, bro. You know what I'm saying? Them boys pulling up. Scat. No cap. Big cat. What that boy put up in today, man?
Who?
Whatever you, nigga.
Oh, man, come on.
Oh, y'all already seen it. Y'all already know. Big Daytona, man. Stop playing with them boys. And that boy got big stars in that bitch. Stop playing. No, your boy had to come pull up on us. No cap. We out there bitch finna just get shit clean, you feel me? No cap. We just cooling for real.
I was like, I'm trying to slide.
What you talking about? The night we was on the highway?
Huh?
Niggas was not trying to slide that
Bro, I was
night,
trying to
bro.
go, bro. Only bad part was we all got pulled over.
Bro, I was like, huh? I was like, what was going on, bro?
I was following in the back. The cop come from behind me because he hear everybody like roaring the engine and shit.
No, but I will.
Oh!
This nigga,
Oh!
Them niggas we was going to bowling. We had pulled in the bowling parking lot. He had got us.
Bro, I was surprised. I thought it was gonna be on the highway longer though.
I tried to back in. This nigga talking about cut your engine off. Put light all in my fucking face.
I tried to hit a top speed on the highway.
Bro, they hate our cars, bro. I swear. They like,
They
bro.
were cool though. We ain't get no ticket.
Every time they pull me over, I got a
ticket. He
ticket.
was like, come back. I was like, bro.
Oh, he said, bring his ass back. Hey, but y'all, just clean that bitch, you feel me? Look at that bitch. Shitting. Y'all know I just be cleaning that bitch, just to clean that bitch. But the inside is still looking very bad, you feel me? So I'm finna goddamn clean this bitch on the inside. And yo,
What up, gang? You know what it is. Got this motherfucker though.
no cat, we in traffic. All these goddamn charges in traffic with me, man. But yeah, I just decided to keep the goddamn vlog going, you feel me? Cause we in traffic, you feel me? I know y'all fuck with me in traffic. I still don't got no gas, but I'm still sliding this bitch like I'm always do, you feel me? But yeah, no cap. Y'all see the stars hitting right now cause it's getting dark. Nigga getting over in front of the boy, no cap. He trying to break the line, bro. I hate when niggas do that, bro. You see us slide and you gonna try to break the line. I should go get in front of him, break that bitch again. What is he talking about? Yo, this Jeep sliding. It's getting dark as hell, bro. I hate it getting so dark outside so early, bro. That shit so lame, bro. Y'all boys, y'all see we just in traffic on some slight shit. You feel me? Four of us in traffic, you feel me? We just cooling. I'm behind that boy and that Scattiana. Y'all, it's still no scats that gave me no smoke, you feel me? Like, bro, y'all niggas is not ready for this shit, man. Finna end this vlog right here, no cap. So I'm gonna fuck with y'all tomorrow or the next day, no kids, no cap.